Ayan. We are traveling, going to Herbert's house. We're here in Jaffy Road. Turn in left to Fleming Road. Ano masabi mo dito po? Okay ba ang traffic condition dito?
Ayos! Traffic din. Parang EDSA. Daming inchik. Ito ako naligaw sa lugar na to.
Ano to? Gloucester Road.
Yun, Gloucester Road.
Look at the traffic. Ha? See? Pag traffic lang naman dito during rush hour, then pag malapit na yung lunchtime, yun, na-traffic na dito. Pero
may 11 na eh.
every Filipino driver naman dito nakaka-survive kasi sa Pilipinas mas matindi ang traffic unlike here. Yan.
Starbucks. Gutom
Lamborghini.
na ako!
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini Hong Kong.
Jaguar.
Wala pa sa Pinas niyan.
Nissan.
Para kayo nag-tour na rin. Lexus.
Lexus. Mazda. And Toyota. Tabi-tabi yan. Honda. Bentley. Mayroon ba yan sa Pilipinas? Basta-basta nakapark. Bentley.
Wala. Dito lang.
Tsaka maraming mga special plates dito tulad like noon na sa BMW. Elite.
Going to Cotton Tree Drive.
Yeah, we are about to go to Cotton Tree Drive. Let's go. Straight ahead. As you can see, there's lines on the road. This is a broken light from the right lane and a solid line from the left lane. Any lane pwedeng makarating ng Cotton Tree Drive. Look at the traffic. We're already here in Admiralty and there's the IFC too.
Ayan, dito rin ako naligaw.
Friendly user naman kasi yung mga ano dito eh, mga signboard, road markings. Sa road markings nandun din kung saan ka papunta. Ito si Ambo dito naligaw. Sinabi ko diretso, umanan. Umanan sa Gloucester Road, Dre.
No good.
Doon, nababaybay na namin Cotton Tree Drive. Paakyat to. Katabi niya yung famous building ng Hong Kong, which is yung Bank of China Tower.
Yeah.
Police car. Nandun pass. Dito may minimum speed which
Kain na
is
tayo. Gutom na ako.
dito may minimum speed na 50 kilometers per hour, but you can exceed up until 60 kilometers per hour. Depende sa situation.
Depende sa driver.
Depende sa driver. Depende rin sa mood ng police pag may police.
Sa Pilipinas, daw pwede maghari-harian. Dito hindi pwede.
Yan, as you can see, there's a lots of road markings. Sa atin wala na ito, yung mga solid line na yan. Ibig sabihin ng solid line na yan, hindi ka pwedeng kumat sa kaliwa.
Sa may solid line.
Going to Magazine Gap Road. Yan. As you can see, yung road markings, that road is that's going to McDonald Road.
Donald
As you can see, there's a line which is I can still cross the broken line, which is good. But don't cross the solid white line. We're already here.
Lapit kami sa amin. Sa bahay ng boss ko.
Yeah.
Galing kami immigration. Kinuha ko ID ko. To Bowen Road.
Turning left, going to Bowen Road. And we're here at Herbert's Place. Ay, sakin niya.
Yan, yung
Puti-puti.
puti. Yan, bodyguard ko. Nakita niya. Yung naka-blue.
Bodyguard niya yun.
Oh,
Okay.
kain na kami.
Lalapang muna, lalapang.